To Coastal Craft Film channel. Today we are going to be unboxing this Cardinal Classics Deluxe Metal Bingo Cage. So I got it for Walmart, and if you look up Walmart or Amazon, this is actually one of the cheapest bingo game I could find. The rest are around $20. This was only $12.99. So let's open this. I will link the item in the description, so just visit that. So it comes with this cage. As you can see, this is it's actually a really nice metal thing where you put the balls, and then it comes with the chips. So you would have to like remove this from the plastic, but it comes with the chips. And then there's the balls. You would also have to remove it from the plastic. So this is the balls that you're gonna put inside, as you can see there. And then you have this cardboard thingy where you placed all the balls in. As you call the numbers, you can put the balls in. And then the last item is the cards. So we've got some cards here. They're around probably 5 inches. So they're like the size of my palm. So they're pretty decent size. And then we have the instruction here. So let's open the instructions. So as you can see, there's a 1 metal bingo cage, 75 balls, and then there's 1 master bingo card, this one, and then 17 bingo cards, double-sided, and markers, so 50 markers. So let's see here. So I guess everyone knows how to play bingo. I just want to show you how this item looks like. So the gist of the game is to win, be the first player to cover a row of 5 numbers in on one bingo card, vertically, horizontally, or diagonally, but always in a straight line. So that's our unboxing today. I hope you like this video, and I will link the product in the description. See you in your next one. Have a Merry Christmas. Bye-bye.